Welcome back to Purvika. Today we are taking a look at Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 2. This smartphone has several features worth mentioning, but I'm here to talk to you about the standout ones so that you don't miss out on it. Let's get to the video. Let's start with the camera. Open up the camera and unfold the device only to find the entire real estate spread out for your camera view. This gives you a much more clear look at each pixel on the picture that you're about to click. Clicking on this icon gives you a preview of the previous picture, which again lets you compare between the previous one so that you can compose your picture the way you want. You can put your device on the flex mode to click photos and videos, giving you very stable images and videos. Gimbal mode inbuilt is another reason for the steady photos and motion pictures. We get two selfie cameras here, and other than those two sensors, you could use your back cameras as well. Clicking on this icon enables you to click selfies with your back camera. The next highlight has to do with the multitasking, and if you're someone who likes to multitask, this one is for you. Split screen is what we are talking about. Yes, many of you might be like, it's nothing different from what I have on my smartphone. Well, not quite. Here we get to have three-way split screens, 3 apps at a time, and you can even have a floating running app. You can shuffle around with these apps and their positions as well. Frequently clubbed apps that you might tend to use together can be saved in order for you to start a session without losing any of your personal settings. For those who are like, this is such a huge phone, how do I type on this? This is for you. We get several options around setting your keyboard up. Split keyboard. This option feels very comfortable as you get to type with just your thumbs while you hold your Z Fold with both your hands. Clicking on this icon lets you join these two sides into one full-sized keyboard. There is also a floating keyboard option that we get to see here. For those who are used to the classic Google keyboard, we have the option available on the Z Fold 2. Setting your device on flex mode lets you enjoy your videos and movies in the angle that you deem fit. There is even a reverse wireless charging option. All you have to do is swipe like this and turn on this mode. Samsung smartphone, Galaxy Buds, Galaxy Watch, any such device that supports the wireless charging can use this feature by just placing it on top of this device. There are a lot more such features offered on the Z Fold 2, so if you are interested, just click on the link given below to check it out at our Purvika website. Easy EMI options as well. Hope you liked this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click on that bell icon. Thank you.